A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know A, B, C. Next time learn to say with me.
Yay! U. What's the sound? Umbrella. Very good. What letter is this? T. What's the sound? Tiger. Very good. What letter is this? B. What's the sound? Ball. Very good. What letter is this? S. What's the sound? And this is? Sun. Very good. What letter is this? L. What's the sound? Lion. Very good. What letter is this? G. What's the sound? G. 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 What is this? Louder. What is this? Gift. Very good. What letter is this? E. What's the sound? What's the sound of E? What's the sound of E? E. E. Elephant. Very good. What letter is this? What? R. What's the sound? And this is? Flower. Yeah, this is flower. What kind of flower? Rose. Very good. What letter is this? A. What's the sound? Apple. Very good. What letter is this? M. What's the sound of M? Monkey. Very good. What letter is this? H. What's the sound? And this is? Horse. Very good. What letter is this? What letter is this? W. What's the sound? Watch. Very good. What letter is this? F. What's the sound? This is fish. Very good. What letter is this? X. What's the sound? This is xylophone. What letter is this? N. What's the sound? Nest. Very good. What letter is this? What letter? What letter? Yeah, this is zebra. What letter is this? Z. What's the sound? What's the sound? And this is? Zebra. Very good. What letter is this? Okay. What letter is this? O. What's the sound of O? O. Orange. Very good. What letter is this? K. What's the sound of K? And this is? Key. Very good. What letter is this? C. What's the sound of C? And this is? Cat. Very good. And what letter is this? What letter is this? These are vegetables. And what letter is this? V. What's the sound of V? These are vegetables. Very good. Bravo.